Automation isn't about replacing you. It's about replacing burnout. When people hear automation, ang pumapasok agad sa isip nila is robots, chatbots, and other technical systems na hindi mo na maintindihan. Kaya maraming business owners yung mga umiiwas dyan because they fear what they do not understand. Pero to be honest, that's not what real automation looks like. Real automation is simple. Anything you do manually more than once, you set it once, then let the system repeat it for you. Yun lang. Let's say for example, may nag-download ng free guide mo. Automatic email goes out. A few days later, may follow-up. Then, your offer. Wala nang manual sending and wala nang iniliwatan ka mag-follow up. Wala nang ganun. You build it once and it runs quietly in the background. Even habang tulog ka. May system na nag-nurture ng leads, nagbo-book ng calls, nagmo-move ng conversations forward. That's automation. Working for you, not instead of you. So if ikaw pa rin ang gumagawa ng lahat manually, hindi mo kailangan ng more effort. What you need is a system. If you want to see how this can look in your business, comment systems and I'll send you the next step.